Hey guys, welcome back to another Chainsaw Man episode. I am here with Karin.
Hi.
This is episode 10, I believe. If not, correct me. But let's go ahead and get started. This is definitely going to be the aftermath. It was a crazy episode last time, so.
Oh.
He doesn't have his bun. His hair bun. Oh, he's just sitting there.
It's like loud. I was wondering who was munching in the background. They're supposed to be for him. Eating all those apples.
They're reading manga or?
You ran.
You were scared. Oof. The glasses dude.
Oof. Yep. Oh yeah, that happened.
Mm-hmm.
And he was trying to figure out one last thing, but he already quit, so. Yeah. I'll take the rest home. Yeah.
I mean, I think Denji is already surrounded by crazy dads.
It's not
and
like
stuff,
he realized they're too dense and they're too kind of like new to the whole thing to realize how.
They lost somebody important. Well,
Yeah, he did. Himeno, they plus they're not sensitive like that,
Mm.
they don't care. What? He knows how long he's gonna live for?
What? He's like light Yagami.
I guess that's why he doesn't care. He's like, well, I'm just gonna keep smoking and stuff, so.
That's crazy though.
What?
I think it's the contracts.
Yeah.
It's like
it takes your lifespan.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's why he knows.
Oh. I don't think he can. Yeah. It's just, what's it gonna do? It's gonna remind him of her all the time now.
Well, he remember whenever they met.
Her.
Yeah, he didn't smoke. He doesn't know what to do.
Oh, I was like, oh, he's been waiting outside this whole time. No. Yeah. Bought it too. Is he realizing now that? Yeah.
I think it's you suppress.
I guess now it's just kicking in. Doubt it.
I think it's because he suppresses his feelings. He's just starting to question everything.
Yeah.
Kind of like, am I like holding back?
Something wrong with me? Yeah, I'll be over it in a bit. I mean, he's psychologically messed up already, so, like, he's been through a lot. Yeah. Probably.
楽しくねえこと考えても楽しくねえだけだからな。さっさと牧間さんに会いに行こう。憂鬱じゃ。失礼します。どうも。あれ、泣いてた？一回うちら出てくる。なんだろうな。私たち、牧間さんに頼まれて、京都から得意四課を指導に来ました。そのリンゴ食べていいですか？
I guess everybody likes apples.
Yeah, I guess. Ugh.
Oh, it's gonna be that dude.
Uh-oh.
Himeno's partner or teacher or whatever he was.
Yeah.
Damn. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh. Whichever one's winning. You're talking to some weirdos here, so. Good answer. I don't know.
What the hell?
Or is this, I don't know. Yeah, I figured he was gonna, like, approve, because that stuff. Yeah.
All he cares is not to get carried away by feelings. I love
Oh
it.
my goodness.
Yeah.
I'm frightened. I love it.
Sensei.
You're gonna call me sensei, senpai. Oh gosh.
Super strong. Knocked him out.
Almost. You got a lot of training to do. We broke their necks.
They're back.
Oh, I guess
repaired.
he was testing them.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
ooh.
worse.
Kicked a lot. Yeah.
That's their new sensei.
What? That's how they're gonna train. His brain is diseased.
I guess. Oof.
So you're just gonna train to the point where you almost kill them
And then revive them.
And then revive them. Or hurt him really bad, not kill, but
Oh, shit. Really bad.
Yeah. Dang.
Oof.
Mostly immortal.
So he's gonna go hard.
Oh,
Oof.
too strong.
They're gonna have a rough training with this fool.
Yeah. I'm gonna make you stronger. Just don't die
It
on
looks
me
like
yet.
a love.
Oh my gosh.
It looks like a love heart made out of blood.
Oof.
His manga.
Kon?
Yeah.
君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐を使わせてもらえ。
Uh-oh.
その方も自分を客観的に見た方がいいですよ。女性のお客さん来てますよ。じゃあ、ごゆっくり。
Makima?
Maybe. No, they said lady. They know who Makima is. They don't know who this lady is. Maybe family member of Hime? No, I don't think so.
No, because his family got blasted, no?
No, of Himeno, I mean. Oh,
No idea.
somebody.
She had long hair.
Yeah.
I don't want to train no more.
I think we're done.
He's like, yeah, I don't like this sensei. He's like, I'm out.
Is he going crazy? Or delirious?
Heal? How you gonna heal him like that, bro?
His own blood? Is that why she was beating him up, I guess?
He's trying to reset his brain.
Oh, how many times did I die? Oh my god.
That must be painful. Because I was also on the floor.
Oof.
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくねえぞ。
Oh,
なるために頑張ってきたの。楽しくなくて頑張るのはクソだ。
that's the way it is.
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになる。
Yeah.
Yeah.
They'll find your ass.
The for real devil treatment.
He actually considered it. It was like, but if we leave, they're gonna get us.
Yeah.
俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってな。だんだんマジでムカついてきたぜ。何が
Bring guns.
Addled by spirits?
なるほどな。俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦いなんだよ。
I like how she talks. I'm so
You're
smart.
They're gonna fail.
He shall be our plaything. We're gonna put her brains to the test.
I'm pretty sure this dude's smarter, but
Yeah.
uh-oh.
Her glasses. Why are they?
You're about
They
to die
feel
again.
smarter with glasses.
They're dumb.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
He already noticed.
Oof.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Nice.
Whoa. Wow.
Even
They
though he's
meant
human,
it.
he's strong. Oof.
Oof.
He like kicked him in the face.
Kick your glasses away.
No, my smart meter.
No. That was a hard kick in the head. When it's cornered. Good job.
Like,
Good job. Get
good
better.
try.
Good try. Oh yeah, anemic. Yeah.
He gave him tips too.
Let's call it a day. You guys are passed out already. Not even in 5 minutes. Powie.
He said we're done.
Look, here we are.
Of course.
Ooh. Is that a knife to the
Yep.
head? How is he gonna get revived? He was kidding. He was messing with you.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're just getting started.
Wow. I thought that was a little too nice, but I figured, oh, well, I mean, he said that she was already
Maybe he
passed
was
out.
done, but nah.
Oof.
Now we know he's
Or that
like,
was just like a last lesson kind of thing here.
He's like throwing knife.
結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど、俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ。君は仕事に復帰したら外野の檻に飛び込むんですよ。身を守る武器は必要や。
Where are they going? To meet a devil?
Stronger double.
Oh, that's weird.
Captures alive. So we're gonna.
Another curse weapon.
Yeah. They said captured alive. Like.
Pretty lady.
I guess. We just saw the back of her.
They would have recognized if it was. She was me.
Oh. Himeno's younger sister. Did she mention his sister? Can't remember.
I don't remember, I'll be honest. Yeah, I can't read that.
It's been so long, we forgot. Is Dad feeling any better? So, to get his ear pierced?
It's like a little memo thing.
How do I get him to quit?
Because remember, she cared about him.
And nothing else we should go.
How do I get him to quit? See? He's walking with swag over here.
Yeah, he's like...
The future
devil.
God damn.
Their eyes along with their sense of taste and smell. Wow. What are you going to have to give up then? Hopefully it likes you and you'll get a bargain. Whew. I mean, it
half
seems
that means it reduces him to a year.
It
if he
seems
gets
he
it.
already shortened his lifespan.
Yeah,
That's
2
what we
years.
think.
He said he had 2 years.
Yeah.
And if he gets this full, it's gonna be 1.
Unless the double likes him, I guess.
You know, you would have think that Aki might have been like, I'm not gonna continue with this after reading the letters.
Mm.
No, it's
No,
more like
he just wants revenge still, I guess. Even if it's went for Himeno, but for his family. Damn it. I wanted to know. Doggies!
You know, I'm thinking that future devil is gonna like him because he's probably gonna see something that's gonna happen and he wants to be there.
I guess. Ouch. I don't know.
Wow.
I like how Denji calls her Powie.
Oh,
Powie-chan.
yeah, for sure.
That's cute. No. The old guy.
Up until now,
Yeah.
what he has seen.
Yeah.
And the worm. He's going after Pochita.
Pochita. Still pretty crazy how we have a different ending for every episode so far.
Yeah. Animation and song. So we didn't get
No
it. I was hoping we
preview.
got a little preview, but well, that pretty much wraps it up for this episode. It was a little bit slower pace, but not too bad because we did get a lot of action with their new sensei,
New sensei.
their brutal sensei.
Hey, there you go. We got Naruto, Sakura, and Sasuke.
Yeah, with the crazy double contracts.
Yep.
The curse mark.
Yeah, exactly. It makes sense.
He's going the deep end.
Oh, man.
Sorry, we compare everything to Naruto sometimes.
Yeah, we have to.
Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel. And that's it. Until next time, Sanyu.
Kari,
Signing off. Bye.